Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shazad Sheikh. Today I want to show you on Enforcer version 11 panel how we change the sensor battery. And the table we have a door contact sensor and we have a motion pet sensor we have. So let me show you. Before we start, could you please subscribe my channel and press the icon bell, make sure that you see my new video. Let me start. Okay, you need to go first. If you know the engineering code, you can use engineering code. Or if you don't know engineering code, then you can go to the user menu. The user menu, you need to go to press D, then put your user code. My code is default is 2222. Then press leave it the panel on, pressing no, leave the panel on view logs. Then when you open the sensor, then it say enforcer. Let me show you. So open the cover. Then the panel go to enforcer like this. Then leave it like this. Don't worry. If you panel link with your mobile phone, then you see text. Just ignore. Then what we do? Just you remove the battery like this. And this is a lithium battery, 3 volt. You can buy any lithium battery, CR123A. You can buy Panasonic or this Pyronix make. You can use any battery, but try to use good battery. Okay. So when you buy the new battery, then after just put like this. This is the negative. This is the positive. Make sure don't put the wrong polarity. Don't put like around. Then is sensor not working. Make sure. So that is the bottom section is positive and top section is negative. So already is they're showing already here. If you can see here, positive and negative. Okay, make sure. So then push like this first, then just like this. Yeah. So battery is changed. Then need to bottom cover first, like this. Then close the cover. Yeah. So battery is changed. Then go to sensor. Open the cover. They have screw bottom, just leave it loose a little bit. Okay, there's no need to take out, just open. Leave it like this. Then just you see here, you open the cover. Make sure when the client sometimes they don't know how you put the cover back. So if you see here, this is like edge here, then this is lock here. So when you put the cover back, let me change the battery for then after show you how you so just again same procedure, just take the battery out. Yeah, okay, that's it. Then for the new battery, just push back here like this, then push down. That's it. Put a code again. If you know engineering code, then it's very easy, you know. So the panel no make noise. So mostly the people that don't know, they make sure this is a spring. Make sure this spring, if it fell down, then your alarm is making trouble here, making tamper on. So this is make sure your spring is on position. Make sure your spring. Sometimes the spring is fell down, you don't know. Make sure this spring is very important. You know, it's tamper spring. Okay. So after we done the battery, then you need to put cover back. So this is first you need to go on top first. You see here, you need to go first top. Yeah, like this. Okay. Then close. Make sure cover is closed. If no close, then it say panel say tamper is on, tamper alarm. Make sure screw is tight. Okay, so you see here it's in the level. Make sure in the level. If it's up a little bit loose, then it's no working. So then alarm making keep saying to you tamper is on. Okay, after you done the battery, then if you have a more door contact, more sensor, just do like this step by step. Okay, or then after when you done the all battery chain, then after you come back to the panel, then put code which is your default code, your user code. By default code is, or if alarm is like this, just press only no. Alarm is reset. Okay, no means reset. Okay, so hope you understand. If any question, just let me know in comments. I will reply back to you. Okay, thank you very much. Then let me see. We'll see you on next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.